Hello guys, Matthew here from UChat. So every Thursday we go live and about, we will go live, talk about a certain topic. And in this week, I'm going to talk about the updates for our existing white label users, okay? As you all know that we just introduced our partner program, right? We have a full white label solution. For some of the features, we want to offer the free upgrade for our existing white label, customers. So that means if you are using Agency or Agency Plus or the most recently ended Appsumo Tier 5 plan, you are able to get this for free, okay? So let me get this started and let me share my screens. I hope you guys can see my screens now. Okay, so first of all, this is what we are going to cover today. Okay, we will talk about the free updates you are getting for the Agency Plus, and Appsumo Tier 5 plans. Okay, and then I will talk about our partner program a little bit, and then I will talk about the difference a lot of the users are waiting for. They are trying to figure out what's the difference between the partner plan and the agency plan we previously launched, right? And also at the end of this live, I'm going to offer the updates, the discount updates for the existing white label users. Okay, so now let's get started. If you can hear me well, you can just type live in the comments so that I know that everyone can hear me well, not like the last time I talked about 5 minutes and without audio. Can you guys hear me well? Comments live, okay, loud and clear. Okay, good to go. So first of all, it's a free upgrade. Okay, we have been working for the past few months, get a lot of the apps, new apps published, and that is for our partner program. But now we want our existing agencies have this for free, okay? Because as an agency plan, you should have also, same as partners, you are also deserve a full white label platform, so that we are going to offer this for free. So this is only for the agency plan and Agency Plus or Appsumo Tier 5, okay? Basically, any plan you have white label settings in your main workspace, this will be free upgrade for you. Now, let's talk about all the apps that is used in our platform, okay? Facebook, Instagram, Stripe, Calendly, Google Sheet, Gmail, Zapier, Make, Integromat, Public Connect, Google Business Messenger, mobile apps. We just recently introduced the mobile apps. So all these, except the Google Business Messenger, which we are still working on that, and also except the iOS mobile apps, all the others, you will able to get this free upgrade, and by default, it will be a non-UChat branded app, okay? The thing is, you need to submit the feature, a request to us, okay? Because we need to manually upgrade, and we have, we need to maintain the list of that. Now, let me first share my screen to show you what these apps means, okay? What is covered. So let's, you can see my screen now. So this is one of the workspace that is and my custom domain, if you can see. Okay, this is one of my custom domain I use for the demo purpose. So this is a new workspace created and your custom domain. Okay, this is the same for the agency plan and for the partner plan as well. So if you go to the Facebook, okay, Facebook and Instagram, if you click connect Facebook page and Instagram page, it will use, as you can see, it's a generic apps to connect, okay? The icon is also a generic icon. It's not a UChat branded app to connect Facebook and Instagram, okay? And also, the next is all these channels, Telegram, WhatsApp, SMS, voice. It doesn't require apps to connect. It's just API keys. Google Business Messenger, we are still working on that. It's a little hard to get the permissions now. Line Viber, it doesn't require any apps. We just added the Jivo chat to everyone today, just before this live. And I will talk about that next week. And for the integrations, if you go to the Stripe and connect the Stripe account, now is also using generic app, okay? It doesn't have UChat branded on that. And also PayPal doesn't require, Cloudinary doesn't require, Shopify doesn't require, and Facebook Business, this is also share the same apps, so it's also a non-UChat branded app. Calendly, it's also a non-UChat branded app, as you can see, okay? And Slack doesn't require, Dialogflow doesn't require, Google Sheet and Gmail. They share the same apps, so it will also be a non-UChat branded app, okay? And that is taken care of. And now is data store doesn't require Twilio, Signalware. This doesn't require API apps. Centigrade doesn't require. Zapier, Make, Public Connect, or have a non-UChat branded app so that you can connect with, okay? So basically, what we are offering to the partners for full white label apps for the third party, we are offer for you, for the existing agencies for free, okay? So now let me go through how you can get this free upgrade. So basically, you need to click this link, okay? And also, you can send the update to our official messenger chatbot. It will trigger a flow if it works well, and we will get your information. Basically, what we are asking is your main workspace ID and also your email address, okay? And then we will upgrade for you for free. Now, you need to understand these points, okay? Why we do not offer this bot by default. The reason for that is because if we change that is changed for every workspace and your custom domain. That means, for your, first of all, if we make this change, it's only for the new workspace created and your custom domain, okay? For the workspace you already have currently and your custom domain, it will not change. It will still using UChat, because if we upgraded on those existing workspace, and then it will create a lot of problems, because usually the user is uniquely for the apps it connected, okay? If you switch the apps in between, that means you will lose all your subscriber data in that particular channel, for example Facebook and Instagram. Basically all those users is gone. Okay, so that's why if you want to make the change, you need to know this will only apply to the new workspace and your custom domain. Okay, and another is this is only for the agency plus. Okay, for the agency plus, because you have 19 extra workspace as in LTD, right? So in this workspace, they are still all under your custom domain, but you cannot have more than that limits. For example, you have 5 bots in that workspace. You cannot have more bots or more members or more subscribers than the limits, because if you have more than that, it will trigger into a monthly subscription and your custom domain, because under the custom domain we do not have the LTDs, right? So make sure that you stay in the limits and you do not change anything, and you can still use all those workspaces. Okay, I hope I'm clear. And also the last point is we offer this update because this is a manually update. Okay, so we update this every Friday. Okay, until you have more than 1 month to apply, and then we have deadline is 18th of July. Okay, during before that, every Friday we will upgrade whoever want to this free upgrade. Okay, so now let's talk about another thing. Is we got a lot of feedbacks. They want to hide the UChat branded templates and UChat branded mini apps. So now you have these options. Okay, so let me show you where you can get that. Is if you go to your white label settings, okay, and you will find this. You can hide the template store and the mini app store. Basically, all these it will not show up, and and all the workspace and your custom domain. Okay, so that you can hide the UChat branded that way. So that is all the free upgrade you can get. Okay, and now this is only for the agency plan. Okay, and agency plus and Appsumo tier 5 plan. You can get this free upgrade. Now let's talk about the difference between partner plan and the agency plan. So the partner plan is basically we want to give the digital marketing agency the full flexibilities. Okay, it's flexible pricing. You can design your own plan, your own pricing, and the customer will subscribe to you first. It will go to your checkout page and pays you first. Okay, and after that, you can deduce the cost of the workspace or the add-on the customer purchased from you. You can deduce the cost of the workspace and the add-on we sell to you, and then that profit will be 100% to you. Okay, so this is very flexible pricing, and for the agencies, the pricing, the billing is different. Okay, it's basically when the user subscribe, they subscribe to UChat, to our official pricing. Okay, and your customer pays to us first, and then you get 20% revenue share to your Stripe account. Okay, it's totally different, billing methods. Okay, and also the partners will have more settings, more final control, customizations, and more features, and and their platform. So that is just we have more details over here. So if you go to our help documents, okay, docs.uchat.com.au, you will find we have a full section that is partners, and you can see our partner program, okay, and what is the benefit, who is it for, and this is all the benefits you can see. Okay, we have a whole list of the benefit to be a partner, and also we have a early adopter price, special price. Okay, you can see how to join our partner program, and also we have a full white label settings, descriptions, and videos, and also we also offer that the full trainings how to automate the purchase process. Okay, basically the customers go to your checkout page, purchase from you, and right after the order is completed, that workspace will get updated. Okay, so we have the full trainings on that, and also you can easily set up your own sales funnels for every new leads and your custom domain. Okay, you can set up your onboarding sequence, converting them into your paying customers. So that is all the detailed trainings and the features we have for the partner program. If you need more information, you can go to this URL and check more about our partner program. Okay, so our partner program, the official pricing is $199 per month. And now we have early bird offer that is only for the first users. Okay, that is only $99 per month. Okay, how to join our partner program? Basically, you need a new workspace or any workspace that is, you can see the billing. Okay, not the LTDs, because LTD doesn't have a billing, it's one-time payment. And in the billings, you can find, let me show you exactly how to do that. So for example, let me create a new workspace over here. Okay, and then testing 90 testing 9.0. Basically any workspace, okay, you can see the billing. You can see the billing, and then you select partners, okay? And then what you need to do is you need to copy this coupon code, okay? You need to copy this coupon code, and then you paste the coupon code over here, you subscribe, okay? And then you will lock in $99 per month. Now let's go ahead to the difference between partner plan and the agency, okay? This is only the difference up until now, okay? We are always listening to our partners, feature request, what they need, and we will add more features to this list, and that will be available to partners. Some of them will make the way to the agencies, and some of them will stay with the partners, okay? So this is the overview. Basically is, first of all is, I will go through them one by one, okay, all together. So first of all is partners have the custom billings, okay? Basically, when the customer going to subscribe, they will go to your own checkout page. The customer pays you first, and you can keep 100% of the profit, deduce the cost from UChat, okay? For the agencies, it's different, okay? Agencies is the customers pays UChat, pays us, and at our official pricing, and you get 20% revenue share, okay? So the partners have more flexibilities, and also the partners can design their own plans and also the pricings. Their own plans is basically, depending on the variable of number of bots, members, and the bot users, they can have, separate different plans, okay? And also for all these plans, they can disable or enable certain features in different plans. So that is the flexibilities the partners have compared to the agencies, okay? So let me show you exactly what I mean by that. So for example, if I go to my partner plan, okay, and I will show you this feature and white label settings. So for example, this is my workspace, okay? If I can choose to upgrade the user, and if I choose that, you can see this is the plan, the cost plan UChat is offering to partners, okay? Your customers, they will never see this cost price. Your customers will see your own checkout page, not this one. This is the cost price we are selling to our customers, okay? You can have 2 or 3 different pricing plans, and as you can see, this pricing have different number of bot users, okay? You can have different number of members and bots, so that you can have your different pricing plans, okay? And for example, I can upgrade this workspace, and it will deduce money from your wallet. Basically, you have a wallet system, you put the money in, so every upgrade, whether it's manually at the back end or through our partner API. So let me show you. We have a partner API, and with our partner API, you can easily upgrade or downgrade the user, and you can easily allow your customer to purchase the add-ons or remove the add-ons, or enable the auto-renew or disable the auto-renew, okay? You can even listen to all the events that is happening in your workspace and build up your own automations, okay? That is our partner API. Now, let's talk about the pricings. So basically, yeah, we have a feature that, for example, I have 3 different plans, right? You can actually enable or disable certain features for different plans. For example, I have designed a plan is for the basic business plan. I do not want to offer the omni-channel, so that I moved omni-channel to disabled. Okay, that means at this price, if the customers subscribe to this plan, they will not get access to omni-channel. Okay, only at the higher plan, the omni-channel is available. Okay, so basically you can design your own plans, pricing and also the features in each different plans. So that is the first three difference, okay? And the next is partners have the partner API and agencies doesn't need partner API, okay? The partner API, I think I just shared. This is all the API available, and also we have the full trainings. So the checkout automation with chatbot, the checkout automation with Thrive Card, and also the sales automation for partners. All these step-by-step trainings is based on our partner API. Okay, so you can automate the whole purchase, you can automate the whole cancellation and the rebill fails events. Basically, you set it up once, you never need to worry about to manually upgrade your customers. Okay, so that's the powerful, that's the power of our partner API. And the next is the non-UChat branded app, which I already talked about. Okay, this is available for both partners and agencies. Agencies need to submit the request for the free upgrade. Okay, we will upgrade every Friday until 18th of July. And the next is template store and the mini app store. Template store and the mini app store, agencies can disable, can hide the template store and the mini app store. But for the partners actually have more flexibilities and more customizations about the template store and the mini app store. For example, let me show you. If you go to the partners, white label settings, you will have the templates and the mini apps. Basically, you can see you can turn on or off different mini apps or different templates so that you have the flexibilities not only to hide these mini apps and the templates, you can select the templates you want to show up and your custom domain, and also you can select the mini apps you want to show up and your custom domain. Okay, and also for your custom domain, every workspace, when they publish the templates, is only available in your own template store. Okay, it will not publish to UChat and to anyone else. So that's the flexibilities the partners can have for the template store and the mini app store. Now let's talk about the non-UChat branded mobile app. So this is both available for free for the partners and the agencies. The difference is the partners, they can white label these mobile apps for extra money. Okay, and when we fix all the bugs, and we will make a stable version that you can publish. You can publish under your own brand. Okay, that will be the options only for partners. For agencies, you can just use our non-UChat branded mobile apps. Okay, our Android version is called Chatbot Live Chat. This is already published. Okay, we are still working on the iOS version. It may take some time, but we are working on that. We are working on to publish that as well. Okay, so that's the non-UChat branded mobile apps. And the other thing is something extra is, for example, for partners we offer, you can disable the sign up. Okay, you have the multiple language support. You can customize the login page, and we will add much more features for the partners in the future. Okay, so let me show you what I mean by that. For example, the partner settings. This is the billing URL. Is basically you set up your checkout page. So every of the customers, when they subscribe and your custom domain, they will go to this page. Okay, they will pay you first. We also have the variable workspace ID you can add at the end of URL if you even automate that part. And this is the webhook URL. Basically, you can listen to the events in the partner API. The events we are sending to the partner API is when there is new user registrate. Okay, when there is new workspace created, when there is new workspace deleted. Okay, when there is plan changed. It's basically this include the upgrade the plan or downgrade plan. Okay, and also the plan renewed. You will also receive events. we have also the overdue events, so that you can send the reminders to the customers because their workspace is about to downgrade to the free plan in 3 days. Okay, we have the overdue grace period of 3 days. And what else? This is a webhook URL that is unique for the partners, so that you can use this to set up your own sales funnels. Okay, and we have the full trainings on that part as well. And we have a lot of partners that from different countries. They actually want to offer this, to set up their own default language for every workspace created and their custom domain. Okay, we think it totally makes sense. So we add this feature, and thanks to the translation, currently we have 6 different languages: English, Chinese, Hebrew, Portuguese, Brazil, Spanish, and Turkish. Okay, we are looking forward to add more language if there is partners have this requirement, and they can help us with the translation. Okay. Here is you can disable the user registrations, okay, so that you can have more flexibilities. We have the partner APIs so that you can create the new workspace, the new user directly with the partner API. Okay. And another thing is this is the login page customization. So basically, you can have your own designs of the login page and the sign up page. Okay. That is the only still the extra features we are adding for the partners, and in the future we will add more features depending on the feedbacks we are having and the request we are having from our existing users. Okay, and also we are offering the priority support and the premium template and the trainings for free for the partners. And this is not available for the agencies. So for the coming months, we have plans to release more premium templates and also the trainings as well. And this will bring the whole, bring the values for our partners, for them to get, secure more clients. So that is a main difference between the partner plans and the agency plans. Okay. So now let's talk about something else. Now, for the upgrade, if you want to upgrade to our partner plans, here is the conditions. Okay, if you do not like the conditions, you can skip that. But if you want to upgrade at the discount we are offering for our early adopters as a thank you gift, these are the conditions. First, it's only for the agency plus, and Appsumo Tier 5 plan. Okay, basically, that workspace need to have the white label settings. If you are on the other plans, you do not have the white label settings and your main custom domain, this is not the offer for you. Okay, you have to go through, if you want to join our partner program, you need to go through the early adopter offer. Okay, that is $99 per month, and it's also only limits to 50 users. Okay, so that's the first condition. And the next condition is whatever the main workspace you are having, that whatever limits you are having for that workspace will convert to our currently limits for the partners. Okay, that is 5 bots, 5 members, and 10,000 bot users. Okay, so basically you are converting your existing limits to these limits for the main workspace. And another condition is once subscribed, you won't be able to revert back, because that is why we are offering the discount price for our partner program. Okay, you will not able to revert back, cancel the partner plan and go back to your previous LTDs. It's not an option. Okay, this is another condition. And the next is we have the special price that is $49 per month for the first 15 users. Okay, today, right after I make the post, 5 spots is already taken. So basically, technically, we only have 10 users now, and then the next 15 users is going to $69 per month. Okay, and then the next 20 users, that is going to be $89 per month. Totally 50 spots is available for the upgrade. Okay, that is for our existing white label users. And that is the deadline. Okay, the deadline is until the same 18th of July. Okay, it's either all these 50 spots is taken before that, or we are discontinue this offer until 18th of July. Okay, whichever comes first. That is all the conditions we have if you want to convert your existing white label plans to our partner program. Okay, so now let's talk about, this is the recent the today's update. 5 spots is already taken for $49 per month, and only 10 spots left. That coupon code has limits. Have this, we already set the limits. So if you have received the coupon code, I will show you how to get the coupon code, and it's not usable, that means all the spots is already taken. Okay, so how to get this upgrade if you want? It's very simple. Okay, you send your main workspace ID. Okay, it's by main workspace I mean the workspace that have the white label settings. Okay, you can find your workspace ID from your workspace settings. You send your main workspace ID to support ticket at uchat.com.au, and then the first is we will downgrade your main workspace to the free plan so that you can have the billing options, and then we will send you the coupon code so that you can subscribe to our partner plan with that coupon code. Okay, depending on how how many spots left, if the coupon code I give you isn't working, that means all those spots are taken already, so that you will not be able to get in our partner program at that price. It has to be using another coupon code. Okay, so that is how you can join our partner program. And this is I explained that the main workspace, the one have the white label settings. We will actually give this by the time you send us the emails. Okay, we will go through that, and whoever send the emails to confirm to upgrade and also offer that workspace ID, we will send a coupon code to them first. Okay, if they subscribe, then one more spot will be taken, and basically we will just send reply this coupon code. We will first downgrade your workspace to the free plan, and then after that we will send you the coupon code. Okay, if it's working, that means you will get in at that price. If it's not working, that means all the spots at that price point is already taken. So that is how you can upgrade. Okay, and another thing is Agency Plus plan. So I have to talk about that. Is one of the main workspace we are going to convert right to the partner plan, but the rest 19 workspace cannot exceed the limits you are having on that workspace. Otherwise, it will go out of your LTD. It will be a monthly charge applies. So there is a risk for that part we cannot control. Okay, because once we move that means all the workspace and the custom domain should be on monthly on yearly plan. There shouldn't be any LTD plan on our partner program. But for the Agency Plus, you have the other workspace that is in LTD. If you are not exceeding the limits, you are fine. Okay, I just want you to know that there is a potential risk for you. So now let's get to the questions to see if I get a reply to see. See you here. So loud and clear, Alex. Alex, hi. How are you? Will partner have a non-UChat branded mobile apps? Yes, I think I show that later. We already got the Android version published. The iOS is, Apple is having a lot of issues with that, so we still need some time to get it sorted out. But the goal for us is we want to offer, the best we can offer a non-UChat branded for the partners and for the agencies to use. Okay, so that is our goal. And even if I have an agency LTD account, what will be the price to buy one partner workspace? Partner workspace. So what do you mean by that? So basically, if for the early bird, that is $99 per month for the partner. It's not a workspace. It's ability for you to sell at your own pricing and automate the whole process. Okay. So Hilton asked, plan customization, does that include selecting which template to make available in each plan? Oh, it doesn't include the templates. Okay, it's just that you can hide the template store in each different plan. It doesn't narrow down to which template you want to include in different plan. So it's basically the feature integrations, the features you want to disable or enable for different plans. Yes, I think Mark is helping me reply all these questions. Yeah, Alex is already installed our partner apps. Yeah, so I think no more questions. Anyway, so if you need to upgrade from your existing agency or agency plus or Appsumo tier 5 plan, you can send your main workspace ID to the support. Okay, the email is, let me share my screens. Let me share my screens over here. The email. Okay, just send that your main workspace ID to our ticket. Okay, ticket@uchat.com.au. First, we will downgrade your main workspace to free plan, and then we will give you a coupon code so that you can use that coupon code to subscribe to our partner plan. Okay, so that is all the question today, and see you guys in the next next Thursday. Okay, bye.